Is the count, 3 points advantage here para sa Heroes, the defending champion. At bola yan ang lapas mga kaibigan. The sharpshooter from the outside, short. And here comes the Concepcion. Soriano now, bounce pass, maling pasa, napunta kay Salas. Bigay kay Bermuto. To Salas. At low post si Sagwas. There is the double team. Labas kay Salas from downtown, short. And the labas started to strike at him in this opening period. Garcia. Back to Soriano. Swing. No look pass kay Joshua, corner 3. No. Rebounded by Timbang. Gomera to De Guzman, corner 3. No good. And rebounded by the man. Here comes the international saying, bigay kay Soriano, corner 3. Not this time. And Aglos, please the board for labas. No scoring ball game po tayo mga kaibigan. Salas back to Bermudo. Shot clock is 10. De Guzman for 3. Ayaw! And here comes the Concepcion. Outlet kay Garcia. Garcia to the cutting Soriano. Mintes. Sting. Shot clock down to 10. From inside the arc, Soriano reads the ball for Concepcion. Maganda itong pinapakitang laro nito Soriano mga kaibigan. Kahit nung game 1 kahapon, ang ganda ng kanyang nilalaro. Exactly 6 na minuto in this opening period. 5 ang lamang ng defending champion. Aguas inside the paint. No problem, no. And the save ball, save favorite to them. Substitution rep, De Guzman is being replaced by Rap Reyes. Aguas nice pumping. Kenneth Perez. At tumatakbo na naman ang Concepcion mga kaibigan. Shield. Bigay kay Soriano. Dangerous pass. Taken away by Reyes. Left quick line. Plays again. Ito palang numero 4 ng lapas mga kaibigan. Balik laro na lang yan. Na-injured po yan. One of the best point guard. Rodriguez for 3. No! And rebounded by Aguas. Nagali po yung kanyang kamay. Reyes to Timbang. Balik kay Rap. Reyes inside David Robin. And the ball turn it over by labas. Bola yan ang Concepcion. Seven to 4 is the count. 3 points advantage here para sa Heroes. At ating pong napapanood mga kaibigan ang game number 2 wherein Concepcion lead the series 1-0. Soriano bounce pass kay Singh. Here is the Emre pass kay Garcia. Labas kay David. Perimeter. No. And the king of the boards. Here's the board for labas. Bermudo with a crossover. Bigay kay Salas. Salas running jumper. Even out. Parehong hindi nakakapuntos mga kaibigan itong magkabilang bayan. The Emre pass kay Garcia. Labas kay David. Block by Timbang. Orpo. Sabi ng referee Dugan. Bermudo to Reyes. At low post si Salas. Balik kay Reyes. 3-point shot. Rims out. And a rebound by Rodriguez. Exactly 4 na minuto. Here comes the international. Pasay Rodriguez. Soriano yan. Back to Rodriguez. And setting up by Paul. Apollo number 21. Black on Aguas is first. Ulit ang Kerlano na Court Manal Bedo. Sultamo pong bagya. Sing, pasa kay Soriano. Balik kay Sing. Sing. And it's a dead ball. Naku, ang sportsman-like foul on number 21, Eric Aguas. Substitution rep, number 11, David. And number 10, Garcia for Sherwin Concepcion. Walang jumper yan. Pakiusap sa mga players na play the ball, not the person. Bola po ang kunin, wag yung tao. Kaya natawagan ng sportsman-like foul itong si Eric Aguas. Bola pa yan ang Concepcion. Abante ng 4 na puntos itong defending champion Concepcion. At nasa opening period pa lang po tayo. Soriano to Rodriguez. Pawen Singh to Concepcion. Pass shot. David TV Daway. Pasok sa labas kay Rodriguez from downtown. Wala! And the ball bounces out. It's Robust basketball. Sabi ng referee, Duque. Bermudo to Salas. Salas bounce pass to Bermudo. Bermudo, he is spin. Sarado ang pintuan. Tipang sa ilalim. And he drove sa foul. Foul on the Jacob shooting. Number 11. Arm contact on David. His first. And Rex Timbang will visit the free throw area for a pair of charities. Foul on the Jacob shooting. And salved po ito pong ating napapanood na basketball. Yan po ang tinagurang TPBL, Tarlac Provincial Basketball League. There is a whistle entering too soon. One more try para kay Rex. Mentes follow up ni Aguas, wala. And the ball bounces out. Last touch on number 16, Concepcion. And the ball will stay at the backyard of La Paz. Bermudo for three. In and out. And rebounded by Rodriguez. Pinasa kay Singh. The Indian national lace up. He makes it. At 5 puntos na mga kaibigan ang abante ng defending champion Concepcion, 10-5. At nasa ang ganda lang yung pass kay Eric. Eric pass. Denied by David. To the other way. Recovered by Bermudo. Reyes lays up. Cannot finish pero nakakuha siya ng foul. Foul on the Jacob shooting, number 16, arm contact on Concepcion, his first. Substitution rep, Aguas is given a rest by Guillermo. Concepcion for Mantani. Nakovitroji for number 4, Rap Reyes, the first throw is out. Oh, last throw na yan ha. Ball on play, ready jumper. Dalawang Mentes na free throw at ating inbound yan for Concepcion. Soriano is given a rest by Pineda. Agawan sa bola, it's a jump. Possession now for Concepcion. Bola ng Concepcion. At mga kaibigan, aalis na po ang ating mga PBA legend. Maraming salamat, Atoy, and 3-point shot ni Pringes. Pumasok! Pringes, 3! At lumalayo na dito mga kaibigan ng Concepcion. 8 puntos na kanilang kailangan. 13-5. Reyes, 14 bang, 10 bang.